Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers!
Good afternoon, guys. Another week, another vlog. Today we are heading to watch Circus in Windsor. It is Sunday today, and the time is 1:49, and Circus is going to start at 2 o'clock. And this is my first time in life I'm going to enjoy this show. I've never been in Circus, even in Pakistan as well. So let's go and see how it is. Okay guys, so we are here and we booked this ringside seat, which is right on the floor. As you can see, this is
पग बिना पंथ नेण बिना निरका बिना दिव्या गुण गाया रंग रूप में रे निर्मल रंग रूप में रे निर्मल देखने कुछ कुछ आया रे साधु भाई ये समय जोग कमाया.
we are heading to Toronto after a long time because I've been missing my mummy. So we are going to meet with my parents and we have packed all the stuff. The time is 12:35 and we are just leaving now. Let me show you my outfit and then let's go. Okay, so this is the outfit. I'm not too sure what's wrong with this mirror. We tried to clean it, but I don't know. So ignore the mirror, and this is my outfit, and it is from Lam, and I am loving it. It's been so long we didn't go to Toronto, but today we felt like, even though we are going for just one night, and we are super excited for that. I don't know. And we have rented this car, and it is Lexus. Nice. Okay guys, so we have bought tickets for Guunguun and Veera. We are in Windsor, and the time is now 6 p.m. We came here to buy gifts for our little girls. because Arzu's birthday was on April 24th, and tonight it is Veera's birthday, so we thought it is a good idea to buy a gift from here. So this one is for Veera, this one is for Guunguun. How cute. So he's buying pans for me because I love pan. So after this we are gonna go to my mummy's place and I'll see you there. Veera, that is happy birthday. Happy birthday. And Mona has made halim. That's Asha. That's Mona. The chicken. Look at this birthday girl. Kids are ready to cut the cake. It's the birthday party. Fifth? Fifth? So this is the sweet, our home sweet home. Renovating the building. Nice. Good morning, guys. Okay, so the time is 12:17. It is Sunday today, and we just had breakfast from Tim Hortons. Now we are heading to my mommy's place because we have to spend some time there, and then we're gonna go back to Windsor. So yeah, that's the plan. Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers again.
Cheers! Is making rotis. Nice. Mona is making rotis as well. And my mummy is super duper busy. So that's pretty much it for today's vlog. I hope you like it. And if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And do subscribe my channel because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.